Everglades is a very, very unique environment. There are really only two other places in the world that are similar in terms of being these just broad wetlands. The research that we've been doing has been helping with Everglades Restoration to determine what the past water was like. And in Everglades Restoration, it's all about the water. We are providing information that is allowing the decision makers to set science-based targets. We've been able to tell them what the salinity was 100, 150 years ago before the canals were built and the water was diverted. Those salinity targets previously were set just by kind of best guesses. You can't restore an ecosystem if you don't know what it looked like in the past. That's our primary role, is that we use the sediment cores kind of windows to look backward through time.